Welcome to Profess Consulting and welcome to our computerized accounting bootcamp. I'll start by congratulating you because you are taking a big step in your accounting career. Your type is rare. If you are currently watching this video, it means you've shown interest in our computerized accounting bootcamp, which is starting soon, and you surely want to have more information concerning the training. That is why I am making this video for you. I will start by highlighting the kind of people we are attracting for this particular training. This training is precisely for those who are passionate about finance and want to have practical knowledge on accounting practices. And for those who intend to master accounting softwares like QuickBooks, like Sage, and they need to be performant as employee or business owner, consultant, or even lecturer. We are also targeting people who lack practical knowledge in accounting practices, only have theory from school, and they do not know what to do in case given the task of an accountant, or might be is used in traditional accounting, knows how to do entries on pieces of papers, recording on books and so on, but lack knowledge on the usage of computerized accounting tools in order to better the job of the accountant. You might have had a degree, you might have had an HND, you might have even gone for ACA for chartered accounting, but I have seen lots of people out there with this certification and they are not proficient enough. They cannot do the job of an accountant. They don't know from where to start. They do not know how to use computerized accounting tools. They do not know how to use AI in order to facilitate the accounting practices. They do not know how to do when it comes to Cameroon taxes. They do not know how to mount statistical tax returns, how to make declarations, and because of lack of practice, because our educational system focuses more on theory than practice. These are the people we are interested in for this training, or these are the people we are coming to save with this training. If you see yourself in one of these points, then you are at the right place, and it is the right time for you to take the next step in order to be more efficient, in order to have access to more international opportunities and even local opportunities. Training is going to run between 3 to 4 months and only for 10 individuals, all depending on the package you will select, because there are 2 packages. There is the level up package and then there is the consultant package. What is the level up package all about? The level up package is all about mastering the usage of Sage softwares and also better understanding the Cameroon taxation system and the usage of MS Excel to be more equipped when it comes to the Cameroon job market. If you want to have more practical knowledge on the usage of accounting softwares in order to better your accounting practice in Cameroon and to better have or to secure more national opportunities, or to boost in front of an employer, or even to manage your own business, then the level up package is just perfect for you. The level up package is 200,000 francs and runs for 3 months. Then we have the consultant package, which runs for 4 months. Added to what we do in the level up package, the consultant package will equip you with international accounting knowledge. We will touch more softwares such as QuickBooks, both QuickBooks Desktop and QuickBooks Online. At the same time, we are going to give you access to what we call the bookkeeping and entry bookkeeping certification, where you will learn more about the bookkeeping or accounting practices and have an international certification which can serve you both locally and internationally. At the same time, we will grant you access to a training that will make you a QuickBooks Pro advisor. This means that you are an expert in QuickBooks and you can offer your services both locally and internationally and serve different types of companies. Master accounting softwares to do accounting for all types of companies. That is the consultant package, but that is not all. Included in the consultant package is the softwares we are going to give you. We are going to give you for free as a bonus the softwares licenses for Sage as well as QuickBooks Desktop, which can already help you to propose your services in case you want to be a consultant, to propose your services to other companies, to other individuals, and even might be increase your capacities in managing your own company or the business where you are working. This training is not for weak people. It is for those who want to dare. It is for those who are intentional about their career. Consultant package is 400,000 francs, and it is paid installmentally. As you are part of the consultant package, you have access to a coaching session where we will show you how we at Profess Consulting will make money online as freelancer on freelancing platforms, which can help you already to streamline or to increase your sources of income both internationally and locally online in the comfort of your home. I have searched everywhere. This program is nowhere to be seen. You won't find it somewhere else, and we organize this program once in a while. I'm going to put on the screen testimonial of some students who took the computerized accounting bootcamp at Profess Consulting.
Hello to everyone, I'm Mrs. 𝙃𝙚𝙧𝙚𝙧𝙀, and I'm a student from Profess. I'm very happy to say that I've learned a lot from Profess. Leaving from school, I had no professional experience. I learned a lot, like Sash, be able to work with Sash, being able to work well with Sash. That has helped me a lot. I feel like right now I'm working, and it has helped me to be smooth in whatever thing I am doing. And I feel like moving out now and moving from here, I'll be able to work well. I'll be able to give in my everything, and it has helped me to be bold because at least I know what I'm doing and I'm good in what I'm doing. So I encourage all of you to come.
My name is 𝙃𝙚𝙧𝙚𝙧𝙢𝙧, a student at Profess studying stores accounting. Actually, it's one of the best institutions to carry out this program.
Aujourd'hui, je suis lauréat à Profess Consulting et ils m'ont beaucoup aidé à mieux maîtriser la fiscalité de notre pays, le Cameroun, et aussi prévoir et de mieux trouver les solutions aux différents problèmes des entreprises dans notre pays.
If you miss this batch, which is starting soon, you might not be able to see this type of training again. Seize this opportunity and take action by clicking on the link that is below this video. Fill the form by giving specific information concerning you and the specific things you are interested in the training, so that as we are going ahead with the training, we are targeting your specific needs. If you are in a particular industry, you mention it. If you are in an NGO, or if you work in an NGO, if you're interested in funds accounting, if you're interested in insurance accounting or any type of industry, we will put more emphasis specifically for you. Fill the form below and get ready, because this is going to be a life-changing training. If you have someone who feel like this training can be important for the person, just share this video with that individual. It might help the person. See you at the top.